Before we move on to our next session, it's time for a fun knowledge check on what we have learned from the lecture. We enjoyed everyone to take out their phones and join us in Slido. Please take this time to scan the QR code. The QR codes are also available on the tech cards on your table.
Question number 1.
And here are our questions. Number 1. For Filipinos, obesity begins from a BMI cutoff of letter A, 23 kilograms per meter squared. Letter B, 25 kilograms per meter squared. Letter C, 27.5 kilograms per meter squared. Or letter T, 30 kilograms per meter squared. Doctors, please key in your answers. The correct answer is letter B, 25 kilograms per meter squared. Thank you everyone for joining our knowledge check. Hope you enjoyed because we will have some more questions left for you that we will answer later. For now, we move on to the next session.